So are you guys surviving this heat wave? We picked up this air conditioner, portable air conditioner on Amazon for $208.99. And it's got 10,000 BTUs. Normal air conditioners cost twice that much. And it's whisper quiet at 50 decibels. Very quiet in your bedroom at night. And the remote control that comes with it has a range of about 23 feet. It's got 3 different function modes. Your cool AC mode, your dry humidifier mode, and a normal fan mode. It's got some weight to it. Even though it says it's lightweight, it has weight to it, but it's on caster wheels. Real easy to move around. And it was easy to install whether you have a horizontal type window or the vertical type. And here's my wife carrying it in. Okay, so here's our Garvey portable air conditioner. We got it set up in the kitchen. It's real easy to set up. And what I like about it, it's got some weight to it. This is heavy, but it's on wheels, so don't worry. We have our remote control here, got our manual, and for 10,000 BTUs, we paid $208 and some change, and most 10,000 BTU air conditioners cost twice as much. And of course it was a concern because I've never heard of Garvey before, but we've been using it for 1 week now and no issues, and I really like it, and I really like that it has weight to it. That makes me think that there's quality parts inside. Let's go ahead and fire it up with the remote. It's very quiet. It's very quiet, and if you don't like the display of the lights there, and like if it's in your bedroom at night and you don't want the lights, there's a night mode and you can dim those lights. But it's nice and quiet. It's set up easy. Got it here in my kitchen, and it mounts. This hose comes out of the back of the air conditioner and goes to my window. And look at this, only about 5 or 6, not even 6 inches it needs for space. But yeah, it sets up real easy, and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the outside. Much better than having half of an air conditioner hanging out of your window. And one thing we didn't think of at the time, but there's room for the screen to go back in. So I am going to put that screen back in. We got the warm air blowing out. But yeah, we got it on sale on Amazon.com, and we will put a link in the description. But I highly recommend this Garvey air conditioner, portable air conditioner.